All right, we're going to take a look at a quick pattern, E for marketwizards.com and eminywizard.com. And it is about 11:15, and we'll do one more to just wrap things up for our group this morning. It's the 25th of February, 2019. Please use risk capital you can afford to lose. We're an educational room, and we are trying to help traders improve what they're doing. We do not have all the answers. Nobody does. But we're trying to share with some of the things that we have learned over time. One of the things that I like to do is look for patterns. And here was that pattern we had talked about earlier. And then we get the breakout and comes back and it sits on it. Here's your breakout, here's your retest. And then from this point, this 02, which I said I think is supportive, and we get another leg up. And then we get a leg down and we get another leg up and another leg down. These are all small intraday patterns. And then we get another new high, whack-a-mole style. So once you train your mind to see patterns like this, and because we're intraday type traders, day traders, that use position and swing ideas to help us determine next objectives, the more you can identify these smaller patterns within larger ones, then the easier it is for you as a trader to see the really big patterns. So this is what I call a double W. Double W. And it's because you can see two of them. And that's a very powerful pattern. And the squeeze part of it, you can really see it. Again, the key is back here is to ignore this high. It confirms the breakout. The real breakout is confirmed up there, and you'll notice once we get above that, it'll stay above that. But this is your true breakout right there. And about a point away from that projected target. Doesn't mean we won't get it, but it's obviously risk and reward ideas right now. And this is typically what you're going to see in whack-a-mole. So it's a very powerful pattern. What time is it? 11:15. Primary trade still has a little time to go. We said, I don't think we're going to get a killer move. We do have the Aqueduct trade just about at its target. You got about a 20-point trade. Somebody wants profit, certainly. So all I can tell you is when you sense that traders are being squeezed and trapped, you want to make sure that you don't add fuel to the fire. And that's why the hit and run approach really works better. You can usually get away with your 2 or 3 points, but you're not going to get away with a 10. And you're usually better off trying to align, if you can, closer to what you perceive is aggressive support and try to go with it. Tough trade for humans. Bots do it all the time. And we need to think like a bot if we're going to, play well in this environment. And if the environment doesn't suit you, don't trade. It's never about any one day, and it's never about any one trade unless you make it that way. So this is a great pattern, the W. And then finally the W here, and then it kicks in. And realistically, if you're looking at, some kind of a moving average chart, So if you're using something that has a moving average, especially like the Globex, to give you better continuity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits on the blue line. 5 times wrong short side for getting a big trade. And all because rain held back here on Friday, and then the overnight push, and then the squeeze. I've learned to be very conservative with these ideas because I used to think too high, can't do anything. But you know what? That's why we went over that lesson this morning about you're only risking 2 points no matter what side you're going in. And that will help you be a better aggressive trader if you want to be. Not everybody's cut out to do that.